Have you ever wondered how humans first made the giant leap into the vast expanse of space? It's quite a tale, a blend of human ingenuity, ambition, and a sprinkle of rivalry. Our story begins in the mid-20th century, amidst the escalating tensions of the Cold War. The dawn of space exploration is marked by the launch of the first artificial satellite, a metallic sphere named Sputnik. The Soviet Union launched this marvel of technology into orbit in October of 1957, heralding a new era. This beeping ball of metal, no bigger than a beach ball, was the world's first glimpse into the potential of space technology. It's hard to imagine that something so small could have such a monumental impact, but Sputnik's voyage into the cosmos changed the world. Just 4 short years later, another significant milestone was reached. The year was 1961, a year that would forever be etched in the annals of space exploration. Yuri Gagarin, a young Soviet astronaut, became the first human to venture beyond the confines of our planet and orbit the Earth. Imagine being Gagarin, looking down on the world from above, seeing our planet as a beautiful blue orb floating in the black canvas of space. It was a moment that redefined what humanity was capable of. But why this sudden push towards space? The answer lies in the political climate of the time. The Cold War, a period of intense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union, was in full swing. This rivalry extended beyond earthly borders, sparking what we now know as the space race. The drive to outdo each other in technological prowess propelled advancements in space technology at an unprecedented rate. This period of competition, while rooted in conflict, brought about an unexpected era of discovery and innovation. It pushed humanity to reach for the stars, literally. It was a race, yes, but the finish line was not a simple ribbon at the end of a track. It was the infinite expanse of space, waiting to be explored. And thus began an era of space exploration, fueled by a race between superpowers. But how did we go from orbiting the Earth to setting foot on the Moon? This leap in our celestial journey was made possible by a series of technological advancements, each one building on the last, like a stairway to the cosmos. The first major step was the development of the Saturn V rocket, a behemoth of technology and engineering. With its 3-stage liquid-fueled super heavy-lift launch vehicle, it was the driving force that catapulted Apollo 11 into the lunar orbit. This towering giant, standing at a staggering 363 feet and weighing over 6 million pounds, was capable of delivering a payload of 50,000 pounds to the Moon. Next came the lunar module, or as the astronauts affectionately called it, the Eagle. This 2-part spacecraft was designed specifically for the Moon's low-gravity environment. The lower section, or the descent stage, facilitated the controlled landing on the lunar surface. The upper section, or the ascent stage, was designed to lift off from the Moon, leaving the descent stage behind and reconnect with the command service module in lunar orbit. And then there was the astronaut himself, Neil Armstrong, equipped with a state-of-the-art spacesuit. This suit was more than just a protective layer. It was a self-contained life support system designed to provide oxygen, remove carbon dioxide, and regulate temperature, enabling Armstrong to take those first historic steps on the Moon. But our lunar exploration didn't stop with Apollo 11. Subsequent missions brought a series of advancements. With the lunar roving vehicle introduced in Apollo 15, astronauts could travel further from the landing site, exploring the Moon's surface in greater detail. In essence, the Moon landing was a symphony of technology, each instrument playing its part in harmonious unison to achieve what once seemed impossible. The Moon landing marked a significant milestone, but it was just the beginning. The technology that took us to the Moon has continued to evolve, opening up new frontiers and possibilities for mankind's exploration of the cosmos. So, where are we now in terms of space technology? As we step into the modern era of space exploration, satellites and rovers have become our key tools in understanding the universe. These unmanned marvels have revolutionized our perspective of space and brought us closer to the far-off corners of the cosmos. Let's start with satellites. By orbiting our planet and others, satellites serve as our eyes in the sky. They allow us to communicate over vast distances, making the world a more connected place. They're the reason we can watch live broadcasts from around the globe, make transcontinental phone calls, and even use the internet in remote locations. But their role doesn't stop at communication. Weather satellites, for instance, keep a constant watch on Earth's atmosphere. They track storms, monitor climate patterns, and provide essential data that help us predict weather changes. They're the unsung heroes behind your local weather forecast. And then there's the Global Positioning System, or GPS. This network of satellites doesn't just help us navigate our daily commute. It's crucial for air traffic control, military operations, and even scientific research. Now let's shift our gaze from Earth's orbit to the red planet Mars. Over the years, rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and the latest one, Perseverance, have been our primary source of first-hand information about Mars. These robotic explorers have endured harsh conditions to gather data, analyze samples, and send back stunning images of the Martian surface. Spirit and Opportunity, for example, uncovered evidence of past water activity on Mars. Perseverance, on the other hand, is equipped with the most advanced instruments yet, aiming to search for signs of ancient microbial life and even prepare for human missions. These rovers aren't just machines. They're our emissaries, our pioneers in the uncharted lands of Mars. They've given us valuable insights into a world that, not too long ago, was only a distant red dot in our night sky. With these advancements, we've turned science fiction into reality. What does the future hold for space technology? As we stand on the precipice of a new era, the possibilities are truly limitless. Anticipate a future where manned missions to Mars are the norm, where the red planet isn't just a distant dream, but a second home for humanity. We may find ourselves not only exploring our own solar system, but also venturing beyond, into the vast expanse of interstellar space. The search for extraterrestrial life, once confined to science fiction, could become a reality, forever altering our understanding of the universe and our place within it. And who will lead this charge into the unknown? Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are already playing pivotal roles. They're not just reshaping our ideas of what's possible, they're redefining the very rules of the game. As we continue to push the boundaries, who knows what the future might bring?